Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. The other day I was chatting to a friend of mine who about a year ago got a rather boring job in an office. It's a boring job, but he needed the money, and when you're in that situation, needs must. However, he's run into a bit of a problem. On his application form, there was one little box that said, "Can you drive? Yes or no?" And he, like an idiot, ticked the yes box. However, as he told me, he can't drive, but he thought because he'd be working in an office it wouldn't matter anyway. Now he's been asked to drive up to Gatwick Airport and pick up some important clients, and he's going to have to break the news to them that he wasn't entirely truthful on his initial application. When he told me this, my response was basically something like this. "Oh, mate, once you start lying on your CV or on your application form, you're basically just digging your own grave." If you say that someone is digging their own grave, and the grave is the place where you put the dead bodies in the graveyard, you basically mean that they're doing or saying something that will cause them a lot of problems, that will maybe lead to their downfall in some way. So when you have a football team and they've lost 10 games in a row, and the manager, rather than taking responsibility for what's going on, goes on TV and starts blaming the players, basically they're digging their own grave. They won't be around much longer after an outburst like that. You might have to warn students sometimes. Listen, you really need to meet this deadline. You missed the last two, and if you don't hand in this essay by Friday, you'll be digging your own grave. Maybe one of your colleagues gets drunk at a Christmas party and makes some offensive comments about the boss's partner, and you have to take them to one side and say, "Don't you know who you're talking about, you idiot? Shut your mouth. You're digging your own grave there." And if you think someone's in the middle of digging their own grave and you're finding it entertaining, you might respond by saying, "Hey, don't let me stop you. You carry on digging. Here, let me hand you a shovel. Let me hand you a spade." If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comment section below, we'd like to see examples of how you might use dig your own grave.